Hi everyone, Alex here from the Safari Edit, and today I'll be giving you my top 5 reasons to visit Kenya. So, kicking things off with number 5, we have its landscapes. Kenya offers some of the most dramatic scenery in Africa, with towering peaks, lush forests and endless plains. From the rolling hills of Laikipia and the rugged terrain of Samburu, to the vast open plains of the Maasai Mara. Each part of Kenya's wilderness offers a breathtaking scenery, and there's always a perfectly located camp to ensure you wake up with an unforgettable view. At number 4, we have its rich culture and heritage. Kenya's culture is as diverse and colourful as its landscapes. During your holiday, you can immerse yourself in the traditions of the Maasai and the Samburu, where you can learn about their age-old customs and unique way of life. You can join in with traditional dances and enjoy storytelling that has been passed down through generations. You'll also discover the opportunity to see local arts and crafts and beadwork, with each piece telling its own story. Kenya offers a really authentic cultural experience that you won't forget. And at number 3, we have its beautiful beaches. The Kenyan coast is a stunning blend of white sand beaches, turquoise waters and rich cultural heritage, providing the chance to enjoy an incredible bush and beach combination with very little effort. After an exciting wildlife adventure, you can unwind on the serene shores while enjoying a variety of water sports like kayaking, sundowner cruises, fishing, snorkeling and scuba diving. It's also very straightforward to combine Kenya with Zanzibar for an even wider selection of beach hotel options. At number 2, we have its incredible wildlife. Kenya is a wildlife paradise, with everything from the Big Five to Laikipia's elusive black melanistic leopard. Pioneering conservation efforts in reserves like Lewa, Varana and Old Pejeta offer incredible opportunities to see both black and white rhino, while the Maasai Mara boasts excellent numbers of cheetah and one of the largest populations of lion in Africa. As if that wasn't enough, from July to October, the plains of the Maasai Mara are filled with the colossal herds of the Great Migration, a collection of over 2 million wildebeest and zebra. This is the perfect opportunity to witness incredible predator-prey interaction and dramatic scenes as the herds attempt to cross the crocodile-infested Mara and Talek rivers. This is a natural phenomenon that's been touted as the greatest show on earth. And in at number 1, we have its pure adventure. Kenya offers endless adventure beyond your safari game drives. From hikes and treks in the Great Rift Valley, to thrilling mountain bikes and horseback riding across the savannah. You can join a morning with the anti-poaching unit, or experience a hot air balloon ride above the plains of the Mara, landing for a champagne breakfast in the bush, or explore on a walking safari. Maybe for a unique twist, try a canopy tree walk, or a sleep out under the stars, or take a helicopter excursion up into the Matthews Mountains. Whether you're chasing waterfalls, learning about conservation, or immersing in local culture, Kenya is packed with unforgettable experiences. And that's my top 5 reasons for visiting Kenya. So if Kenya is on your list for your next safari adventure, why not give us a call? See you next time.